sunflowers, I've learned that the backs of the flowers, to know if the sunflower seeds are ripe, the back of the head will turn brown when they're ready to harvest. There's enough flowers in here. I may get some seeds this year. The birds have found a few flower heads that was easy access, or they really liked them or something, because they ate every seed. Like this one. There's no seeds left in that one. They've pecked out every one. That one too. Anyway, I wasn't counting on a harvest, but they say, and I saw little yellow finches going away from here. When I'd walk up, a bunch of little birds would go away. So that was kind of fun, but anyway, we'll see. I wouldn't care to have a few seeds of my own. Hope we'll share a little bit.